Hello YouTube. Today I will be teaching you how to get started with using the IDE Eclipse in order to program and run Java. I'll also try to introduce you to a few basic concepts concerning Java programming. Alright, so to get started, we're going to open up our program Eclipse. So earlier I mentioned that we're using the IDE Eclipse. And you might be asking, what's an IDE? Well, an IDE is an integrated development environment. What this generally means is that back then when we didn't have IDEs, programming in Java was typically harder because you would type your code and after the long process you try to run your program and to find out there was a problem. You might have misspelled something or done something wrong in the program language. Well, the IDE helps you notice what mistakes you're making along the way. It basically helps you debug your program. Debugging is where you just find the kinks in like the mistakes that you make, and it points out your mistakes like specifically, like it tells you which line you're making mistakes on, and also like it helps you change projects along the way, and it runs it itself too. So, well, we're gonna get started by I'm gonna introduce you to the Hello World project. This project is generally what people usually start off with when you're programming Java. So what we're going to do is actually go to the file up here, new Java project. Alright, so here's it asks for you to type in the project name. I'm going to type in YouTube how to. Alright, and finish. Alright, so down here we're going to go to the drop down menu of the newly created project folder. Go on the source folder. That's where we're going to have our information in. We're going to go to new, right click on the source folder and go to new, and we're going to select class. So we're making a new class. I'll explain what a class is later. Alright, so since we're doing the Hello World project, our class name will be Hello World. Alright, after you've done that, click on finish, and this is what we're given. Alright, so right here is the title of your class. This is your class, public class Hello World. Alright, then you'll see a curly brace. So everything within this starting curly brace and this ending curly brace is within your class. You do not want to write anything after it because then you'll have problems. Alright, all this right here, we can delete these. These are comments and I'll describe them later in probably another video, but they're not important for now. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to objects and classes. An object generally is the thing that you're programming. So we're programming the Hello World statement. So that's basically, in a way, our object for now. That's what we'll think of it as. And I already told you about the class. The class is where everything runs from. You need a class in order to write a program. If you don't have a class, you can't really do anything. So you always need to start off with a class. And the class is essential. And you can have multiple classes in a project. We just need one for now. Alright, so Hello World, right? We're going to go into our method. This is our main method. This right here is called the method header, and then again you have a curly brace, the one that starts the method and ends the method right here. And inside here is where you have your body, method body, and this is where you'll be writing your program for this method. I'll explain what a method is in more detail and why it says main and all this, but it's not important. You just want to get the line out, Hello World, alright? So you generally type in this system dot out dot print ln parentheses quotation marks Hello World. Okay, then you want to end this off by putting a semicolon. It won't be complete unless you put a semicolon. Alright, so, and that's it. It's done. So what you want to do now to run it is you go to this play button. It's a run button. Click on it. Wait for the program to compile, and it will print out hello world. This is a compiler, by the way. So it's compiled, and it says hello world, right? So that means that whenever you put this line, you can type anything in here, and it will print out hello world. Right? So that's your first bit of programming. You can make it say anything that you want, like and then push play, run. Hey, looky, I'm a programmer, so anything that you want it to say, you can make it say. This is the first bit. If you liked what you saw, rate, comment, subscribe, and I will be looking to make more videos explaining more things that was not explained in this video. So thank you for watching, and be on the lookout for other videos.